Hello, eighth graders. So today is science fair. Obviously, I'm not in school today. So, what you guys are going to do is you're going to be hopefully finishing up your hypothesis and your controlled variables. Your packet needs to be turned in by 3 p.m. today. Now, you can either continue with your research paper, and all of that information can be found on Google Classroom, or continue with your packet. So if you are done with your independent and dependent variables, which is this page right here, and you have your controlled variables done, project materials. Remember, this is not bulleted. You're going to number it. Write everything you are using for your entire experiment and your board. You're using glue, scissors, construction paper. If you're using soil, cups, whatever you're using for your actual experiment and your board, you're going to write down here. You can also continue to go on for your procedures. Remember, your procedures are not to be bulleted either. These are to be specific as possible. You can use fragment sentences, but they have to make sense. For example, the first step, number one, is we researched our topic. Two, we gathered our materials. Now, for testing, what are you going to do? 3, we gathered our test experiment people, or we gathered our pots, our soil, all that good stuff. Then what are you going to do? Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we're going to water our plants 1 tablespoon, or we're going to test seventh graders who are girls and seventh graders who are boys, eighth graders who are boys, eighth graders who are girls. Whatever you're going to do, this has to be specific. Obviously, this is not a lot of room. So get some notebook paper and write out your steps of how you're going to conduct your own experiments. When we're done with that, and your research paper is done, I am hoping by February 1st, we are actually going to start our experiment. So you are going to write your procedures down of how you're going to test people or how you're going to start your experiment. And then we're writing our project materials down.